Good morning, everyone. As you can tell from this quality, we are doing a vlog on my 2010 Sony camcorder. I saw that these camcorders were getting trendy, so I asked my mom to find mine, and we still have it. This is the camera that I filmed my first YouTube video on. Very nostalgic, and this weekend is my friend Katie's birthday weekend, so it seemed perfect to do a fun camcorder video. Katie is heading out here soon, but she's feeling a little hungover from her birthday last night, so we're gonna run to the store and get some Gatorade, some snacks for her, so that when she gets here, she can have that. And then we have a fun day. We're gonna get bagels, we're gonna go to the water, we have dinner reservations, so let's do it.
I know, I need to hit the road, Jack. By 11:30.
Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin.
We got the goods. Katie's favorite puffed Cheetos, goldfish, saltine crackers, and Gatorade. And I got myself Gatorade. Alright, so I'm back. Here's the decorations. I have orange balloons, 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 and the gift. I got Katie a plant. So fun. Alright, I'm on my way to go pick up some bagels and some coffee for Katie and I. Katie's on her way. She'll be here soon. She is living. I didn't tell you guys about my situation I just had with my tires. I just flattened my tires by accident at the air pressure place. Crazy. But all is well. The air is full. And we're going to get some bagels.
Some ships are woody ships.
I spelled it wrong. I spelled it wrong.
To those ships we see. The best ships are friendships, and to those ships we drink. Who said that?
Can you give us a fit check? Can you tell us where everything's from?
This is from Lauren's closet.
Thrifted.
This is from Target.
Show us the jewels.
Oh, yeah, these are from Blue Moon, I think it is, BLU. Jeans, Old Navy. Crocs from Crocs.
Platform Crocs. Trendy. Jacket, thrifted. Shirt, I don't remember. Pants, Boohoo. Jewelry, this ring, Missouri. This ring, don't know. That's it. Earrings, don't know.
Glasses.
Glasses, my eye doctor.
Love it.
That's it.
I don't know how to start.
My own hell, I won't let you out my sight, 'cause then I would have no life, and someone else would find your beauty newly mine. High, tiptoe, no
Yeah.
down, 'cause I have found that I am walking up in line, being yours and being mine. I think that you know.
Yeah, but not too much.
Hey, Lauren.
Getting the fire. ask real nice. Well, I'm struggling alcoholic. I keep trying to be one, 'cause it seems fun when you're falling down, spinning around. But I keep rediscovering my awful tolerance for that grain. And with you it's the same, I can't help it. Also, baby, don't you haunt me. Oh, if you want me, let me know. Baby, don't
That was
you
fast.
let me go.
Hi.
Yeah, baby, don't you haunt me. Oh, if you
Cheers.
want me, let me know.
Cheers.
Baby, don't you let
I'm gonna burn my fingers.
go.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you, Katie.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Many more.
Woo! Ride cowboy. Let's see the cowboy dance. Woo!
If I can take a picture
Yeah.
if I relit them for the
Oh.
Wake up, Virginia, is your daddy home? Is your daddy home? Is your daddy home?